Hi guys. Time check.
5:50.
Look at our background, guys. Oh my God, so nice. Hana, look here.
Sunrise.
Yeah, we're going
Up here.
at the top of the mountain. We're here at Baguio City.
Layo na kami.
Bye guys. Guys, we're physically fit. Diba, Loy?
Hello.
Wow.
Did you see that? Oh, that
Show
one
them.
that's moving.
Saan?
There. There. Oh.
Ay, there.
Nah.
There.
Here. Oh.
Somewhere.
Okay.
And then here.
Dito ka or gitna?
Gonna go there on top of the mountain.
Yeah, here guys.
Ito.
We're so, physically fit.
Balance lang guys. Balance.
Gitna ka?
Ay, hana ko.
I want to throw my bag na.
Look. We're, what?
Ano talagang hingal ko boy.
Let Darren carry your bag. Tell him.
Be.
Hey, come on here. Oh, here.
Atmospheric pressure in.
Hey, smile here.
Packing.
I look. Weekly exam bukas. Basta dito kami.
Ginevi. Be, Ginevi. Pasak ka. Salamat.
Hi guys.
We're finally here. Mira ka, tanpila pa.
Pila to picture there.
Kailan na?
But guys, I'm super tired, guys.
Ano, miralyo tayo pa tao.
Okay. You explain.
Maisie almost died there. Oh. Here.
Where?
Here.
There, that trekking there. Nah, that trail.
That one.
Yeah, guys.
Almost died.
Yeah.
You cannot see anymore. Where
Yeah.
did we come from?
We,
No?
basta there, somewhere there. Sa baba. And then just walk going up. Kasi guys, I don't know.
Private property yan.
Guys, later yan. Yun ang Monterey, guys. Yun.
I'm gonna die na guys. I'm gonna faint na.
You're so basa na.
Yeah.
Here sa likod. Go. We're going to Pila.
Tomorrow, I will sleep during weekly exam.
Yeah.
Because of body pain.
We did not study, guys. Supposed to be.
It's okay.
Nag-study kami. We have weekly exam tomorrow.
Nikki will study for me. You let Daloy study for you.
No! I'll just mine. But when we go down, guys, I'll kill Darren. Because
Never come again here.
it's the first and the last that I'm going here. But if I'm with him, I'll go here. Because he's physically fit, he will just carry me.
We'll post that. You will see.
I don't care.
Hey,
Okay guys, hulaan niya na lang kung sino. Feeling ko, alam niya kung sino siya.
Bato-bato sa langit, ang matamaan. Now.
Close my alarm. Please. So guys, we're going to eat.
Oh, mayroon ka.
Saan?
That one, the older guy right there.
No, because he wants to what is that?
Gusto mo corn? Huh? Sarap magbag. Aw. Dito na lang, sige, dito. Dito na lang. No problem here.
Shampurad.
Chonde.
Oy.
Sila na madami.
So guys, this is
This is us after climbing.
that's your egg, ah?
That's your egg.
Akin na to. Si Max talaga, oh. Puro yap.
Shut up. Ngan, diba? Sislo ko to si Bingo. Yan make face.
Portrait or landscape?
Ebo!
Okay.
Ayan mga ang hindi masadya, parang ano lang ba, expression mo lang. Pero kapag ibang tao, kung tingin tayo, parang nag-make face ka.
Okay.
Kaya pa portrait o landscape, parang pati ng pati.
Ah, yung pansin mo kayo?
Oo!
Kaya di na yung ayaw.
Sure, I close my ears and my eyes. Galing ko ba? Wow! Guys! Can I borrow your camera? I'll pay you later. Meron bang kayo? Ano bang? Alright, natuloy.
Sige, nalaman na. Kaig.
Parang
Parang
ano
kita.
yan, oh.
You try. You try. Don't eat this one, ha?
Ah?
Don't eat this one.
Because,
The ano only.
The inside.
The inside.
did I feel it?
No, just put it in
Diretso
your
lang.
mouth na.
Ganun, parang mag-squeeze lang yan siya. Okay. Kita dali.
Please.
What taste?
Sweet no? Ito, you're missing out bro.
That's vitamins. Ah,
Ito na flash?
Yung aftertaste niya masarap. May same lasa, wait lang.
Saging.
Hindi saging.
ano yung sa halo-halo sa ano?
Uy, kana.
Melon.
May I'll picture you and Bing.
Again.
Let's go na.
Wala, I'm payat na. Nung umakyat lang tayo dito. I'm not fat anymore.
It's nice. You one at my back, the scenery at my back. It's so nice, guys.
Okay guys.
I can stay here.
Diba ganito yun sa mga ano?
Gawa ako rest house ganito.
Ganyan oh. Ito guys. One here na.
Oh, mukha mo lang. Labas.
Bingali ka ba? Tayo dito oh. Cute. Last na. Overcargo. Biho, manoy.
Wala na yung vape bro.
Guys, so we're here.
Look what I've got.
Parang nag-OJT na kami dito guys. Grabe. Look at the construction site at our back.
If my expertise of my profession is like this, I will no longer practice my profession.
Okay, it's ano kaya fun.
No, it's not.
It's fun but tiring.
Guys, maging ano lang ako.
But it's fun, guys.
House.
Yo, gusto niya maging housewife? Yan ang gusto ko, boy. Tapos pinagtatawanan nila ko, guys. Kay
Maging housewife na ako ng isang Rico.
maging housewife na ako ng isang... Ayaw niya na ako pakinggan, guys.
Hindi na natin maakyat ang ano. Siid.
Sige lang, experience. Fit check! Oh, we went hiking, guys. And then... Olayo, open ang bag ni Hana.
I look like ano na, alam mo yung riding in tandem na ano. Guys, it's so hot, guys, if alam niyo
Yes, wala na init. Bye, guys. Yan, inakyat namin yan, guys. Right?
Tapos the food.
Say hi. I told you, madala malanta. Ang ganyang bulaklak. So, we're at the baba na. And we're going to...
Wala, sorry.
We're going to the... I think Abaka.
Tara pa ba ka ni?
Boy, kape, malamig. Ah, coffee.